Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing quality Inn Foley. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Quality Inn Hotel is conveniently located within walking distance to the Tanger Factory Outlet Center mall. The hotel is also close to local points of interest including Waterville USA Water Park, the Baldwin Museum of Art, the Baldwin County Strawberry Festival and the Alabama Gulf Coast Zoo. Foley SportsPlex Recreation Center is 1 mile away and many Gulf Coast beaches are within driving distance. Numerous entertainment venues and some of Foley's best shopping and dining opportunities are just minutes from this hotel. As a guest of the hotel, you are invited to enjoy full-service features like free continental breakfast, free wired and wireless high-speed internet access, free weekday newspaper, free local calls and free coffee in the lobby. This hotel also has an outdoor pool, exercise room, business center, public computer with internet access, and access to copy and fax services. In addition to standard amenities, all spacious and inviting guest rooms are furnished with microwaves, refrigerators, coffee makers, curved shower rods, hair dryers, robes, irons, ironing boards, voicemail and cable television. Ask about rooms that have hot tubs, sofa sleepers and flat-screen televisions. Non-smoking rooms can be requested. On-site parking is provided and coin-operated laundry facilities are available for guest use. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.